This is Money Bites. I'm James Blair, and today's topic, compounding interest. Compounding interest is one of those magical things that you might hear all the time. You need to start early because of the powers of compounding interest. Build over time because you'll get the benefits of compounding interest. But what is compounding interest? Well, compounding interest is when you start saving. It might be in a term deposit, it might be into an investment portfolio, might even be into a property. And over time, the value of that property kind of gets additional returns. So a share, for example, you might put in $1 into the share, and that might give you an extra 10% return. So you might get $1.10. In that second year though, you're going to get a return on that dollar, but also you're going to get a return on your return, which is the 10 cents plus another cent. So what that really means is over long periods of time, your money will be a smaller percentage of your total return. It'll be the returns on the returns on the returns. You can imagine over 10, 15, 20, 30, 40 years, it can be a lot of money. So to give you an example and really how hard it is sometimes to understand what compounding interest is, say you put $100 away a week into an investment that gives you an 8% return. That's $5,200 a year. If you put $5,200 away a year for 50 years, which I know, a very long time, that is $260,000. But if it's making an 8% return, and over that period you're getting returns on the returns on the returns, that equals to over $3 million. So you've put in $260,000 and you've ended up with $3 million over a really long period of time. So that's the power of compounding interest. That's why you should care about compounding interest. And this is Money Bites.